Hey everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and today's video I will be sharing with you some books that I've recently purchased. Now all of these books I've purchased online through a website called Depository.com. Now this video is not sponsored in any way by them. This is just the website that I like to use, mainly because I find that they are the cheapest when it comes to the prices of the books. They also offer, if you purchase over a certain amount, maybe over $100, you get free shipping as well. So that's just the website that I like to use. So all of these books I'll be showing you today are from bookdepository.com, and I'll leave a link to their website in the description box below if you're interested in checking them out. So the first two books I bought were these two fiction books by Conrad. Now that's the same Conrad that was in the reality show The Hills, and she was in one before that, and I can't think what it's called. Was it, I don't know, I'm pretty sure there was a reality show before The Hills that she was part of as well when she was still in high school. So anyway, that's the same Conrad that's written these books. Now, these are the two new ones I bought. There is a series. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the series so far, and I've already got the other 4 here that I'd purchased previously. So the first one in the series is LA Candy, and the next one was Sweet Little Lies. Then there was Sugar and Spice, and then The Fame Game. So those are the 4 books that precede these two new ones that I've bought. And it's basically a story about a girl that ends up getting selected to be on a reality TV. So kind of, I guess it's kind of mimicking her life to a certain extent, but she's made it into like an actual story. So these are just the next 2 in that series, and I've really enjoyed it. I mean, it's just a fun read. It's just something that I'm interested in, and I enjoyed reading the story. So yeah, I picked up those 2. Now these were only $11.30 from the bookdepository.com. Each one was $11.30, so I thought that's quite affordable. The next one I bought was an actual audio book, and this is also part of a series, and this is by Helen Hart, and it's called Surrender. Now I'll show you the ones I've already purchased. Like, these are ones from a previous haul. So this is the whole series, and this is audio book. So these are like a CD, and I actually listen to these on my way to work, which I really enjoy because I've got like a 45-minute drive to work. So if I don't want to listen to the radio or music, I just pop in these, and it's a good way of actually reading a book without actually reading a book. You can do it while you're driving in the car. Now these are along the lines of the 50 Shades type genre. Like, I don't know what you call that. Is it like not really erotica, because there's more story to it. Like, it's not just based around the sex, but when you're reading it or listening to it, you can kind of tell they've copied certain aspects of the 50 Shades trilogy. I don't know. I like those type of books. They're interesting to me. This is the Steele Brothers saga by Helen Hart. So the first one is Obsession, then there's Craving, Possession, Melt, Burn, and then Surrender. Now I'm pretty sure I've got 2 more of these. I think I've got 7 and 8 somewhere as well, but I think I was just waiting on this one before I listened to the other ones, obviously, because it's part of a series and it probably wouldn't make sense if you didn't listen to it in sequence. This one I purchased for, how much was this one? $12.60. Just because I find I'm not having time to sit and actually read books anymore. I just thought that 45-minute trip to and from work is just a perfect way to get in more books that I want to read. So that's why I've got the audio format. And I also bought the audio format for all the 50 Shades books as well, because they're my favourites. So that's that one. The other 3, I've got 3 other books from there, all in the art and lettering type theme. So this first one is Whimsical Lettering. Now I bought this because I'm very interested in art. I love doing like art and craft. I mean, if you can't already tell by some of the stuff on my channel. And because the bullet journaling is quite popular these days, I just want to get into, I mean, if you're a kid of the 80s, these used to be our Bibles at school. I don't know about you guys, but if you didn't have a lettering book when you were going through primary school in the 80s, like who were you? You know, like this was what we lived on. And yeah, every project, every title page in our books, well in mine anyway, was all done with these fancy lettering type books. So this is just like an updated modern version, I guess. Just thought it's got some quite nice ideas in there that I could use for my bullet journaling and just general art and craft type work. Now that one was $22.50. And another arty book I bought was this Jane Davenport book. A lot of people might have seen this sort of style of art where the big innocent looking girls' faces, and this sort of artwork just fascinates me. I really love the look of these faces. Shows you how you can go about creating those faces yourself, and it's just got lots of nice colourful pages and tips on how to do the faces and all that sort of stuff. Now these, I know these on eBay, they were going for like quite a high price when I was looking for them. But I got this one, $25 this one was. And I know on eBay when I was looking at the time, they were going upwards of like $40 and $50. So yeah, I was quite happy to get that one. And the other one I got here was a similar sort of book, Mixed Media Girls, and it's not by Jane Davenport. This one's by Susie Blue, but similar sort of thing. Those girl type faces. I don't know what it is about them. They just really intrigue me and really fascinate me. And I love the way they look. So yeah, I just got a couple of books on how to draw those with some ideas in. And that one there was $21. Another one by Conrad. These ones are quite popular. I see a lot of the beauty gurus and that have these often displayed as coffee table books as well. And I had my eye on these. I've got actually the three in the set. So the Conrad, Style, Beauty and Celebrate. So that's the three. Two of them are a hardback and then this Style one is a soft cover. I've just had my eye on these for quite a while, and again it's by Conrad and it's just her little beauty Bibles on all her take on makeup and style and that sort of thing. So yeah, like I said, they're like a nice coffee table book, and I enjoy these sort of books. And this Style one was $17. The Beauty one, that was a hardcover one, that was $23. It's just Conrad's style on beauty, doing makeup, hair, nails and all of that sort of thing. And they make good coffee table books or display books in your beauty rooms or craft rooms as well. So that's the other one. And then the last one is Conrad Celebrate, and I haven't even flicked through these, to be honest. I've just sat them on my desk waiting to do this haul for you guys. But this is more her entertaining type book, how to decorate party tables and table settings and different recipes that you can use for entertaining. And that Celebrate one was $25.47, which I think is a really good price considering it's a proper hardback book as well. And then the last three I got were the Madame Chic range of books. I've seen these all over YouTube, and believe it or not, they're pretty hard to get here. I've tried to get the box set because you could get them as a whole box set, all three books. And it's by Jennifer L. Scott and they're called the Madame Chic collection. And again, it's along the lines of etiquette, how you conduct yourself. This first one is Lessons from Madame Chic, 20 Stylish Secrets I Learned While Living in Paris. So I guess it's going to gives you tips on how to be stylish. So, and I just love the way they look. Like I actually just really like how they actually look as a little book set, and they're all hardcover books. And each one of these was $21. So for the set it was $63. Now the cheapest I seen on eBay, and I think it was about $89 for the three. So yeah, like I said, I have done a bit of research on which was the most affordable website to get it on, and this was the actual cheapest one I could find. So this one here on the back, I'm just reading it. It gives you tips on how to be graceful, and God, I think I need more than a book to help me become graceful. But anyway, it's like saying no with grace, accepting compliments, developing personal style, being punctual, practicing screen etiquette, dressing appropriately, speaking comfortably in public, being a good guest, knowing how to eat difficult foods, well, that's never a problem for me, being a good neighbour, getting into grooming, practicing good deportment, and maintaining an air of mystery. Well, I mean, there's no mystery to me. What you see is what you get. But, you know, that sort of thing. So it's basically the etiquette books, you know, teaches you how to become a nicely poised, classy woman. Why have I bought these? I don't know. I'm anything but classy. But yeah, they're just something that interests me, and I'm looking forward to reading them. So that's my book haul for you guys. If you guys have any other online bookstores that you frequent regularly and that you would recommend to me, please leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to check them out. And if you have any questions on any of the books or anything that you've seen in this video, leave me a question below and I will definitely respond. I might not respond immediately. It might be a couple of days in between, but I definitely respond to every comment. If you'd like to see any more book type videos, like I can show you my collection of books or my favorite books or anything like that, if any of that interests you, let me know, and yeah, I'll definitely take it on board. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.